we will discuss about atoms and molecules. Atom means it is the smallest particles which shows all the properties or characteristics of an element. Means atom is a pure substance or single element. It cannot be divided. It is one of the smallest particle. It cannot be divided or entire property is same. But molecule means molecules also a smaller particles which can exist independently. The molecules again classified into three, that is monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, etc. Triatomic molecule or polyatomic. In monoatomic molecule means helium, neon, argon, krypton. That is, in our periodic table, 18th group elements are monoatomic species or molecules. That is the single atom present in our universe. Or these elements exist in a single atom. But diatomic molecule means two or more elements, mainly two elements. For example, hydrogen is one of the diatomic molecule. It is represented as H2, oxygen O2, nitrogen N2. These are the diatomic species. Then another one, polyatomic or triatomic. For example, ozone, phosphorus. Ozone is represented as O3 and phosphorus is represented as P4 and sulfur S8. These are the polyatomic elements or polyatomic molecules. Then, in our textbook, one of the questions, that is, classify the following molecules into monoatomic, diatomic and polyatomic. So many elements are there, then classify into these elements monoatomic, diatomic and polyatomic. Okay, then now we will go through page number 56 in our textbook. One of the table 4.7. In this table, write the number of molecule and total number of atoms. Then how can we determine or calculate the molecule and total number of atoms? Then so many examples are there. For example, O2. O2 means number of molecule, that is one molecule. Then total number of atom means 2. That is, oxygen is one of the diatomic molecule. Oxygen is represented as O2. Okay, so single molecule, but total number of atoms is 2. That is, 2 oxygen atom combined to form a 1 oxygen molecule. Then another one, 2N2 means number of molecule, that is 2 molecule nitrogen. But total number of atoms, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 nitrogen atoms. Then next 6Cl2, 6 chlorine molecule. Then total number of atom is 12. Then 2 helium. Helium is a monoatomic. It is represented as He. So 1 helium molecule and total number of atoms, that is 2, etc. Then another one, compounds. Compounds we already discussed. Compounds means 2 or more elements, or it can be divided. For example, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide is one of the compound or example for compounds. It can be divided carbon and oxygen. Then another one, hydrogen chloride. It contains hydrogen and chlorine. Then water, that is H2O, that is one of the hydrogen and oxygen. Sugar, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Mercuric oxide, mercury and oxygen. But these are the compounds. Okay. Then